not ready for this. She can barely keep her eyes open.
Don't worry about her. She'll be ready.
Okay, we're almost at Bear's coordinates. Welcome to Azura.
When's the last time you slept?
Last night. Got a good 8 or 9 minutes in.
Nightmares?
Does it get better?
It gets tolerable.
All right, let's see what we got. Come on, time to hook in for the drop.
So who's jumping first?
Definitely not you.
Del, I'm fine, okay?
Sure you are.
Oh, shit. Thanks, Del.
Sam, we're outgoing.
Roger that. We're standing by up here.
See you soon. Hey, Dave, you coming? All right, Control, we're going in.
Control? Really? I have a name. Control.
Regs are regs, Bear. I mean, Control.
And we're already breaking enough of them as it is.
What Jin doesn't know won't hurt her.
This is my call, all right? If the First Minister doesn't like it, she can yell at me. Which she almost certainly will.
Tell us where to go, Control.
I'll do my best, but remember, no one's been in that facility for like 25 years.
Yeah, that's pretty evident.
You're not there to buy a timeshare. You're there to launch an old Hammer-of-Dawn prototype.
And your intel says one of the silos is still intact, right?
Yeah, as far as they can tell. Just get Dave to a functional control room. He'll handle the launch sequence.
Dave, light. Remember, big locust burial site in this island. Hatch, gonna be waist deep in swarm.
This is one hell of a way to come back.
Hey, get back!
Oh, shit!
What the hell? I need to search a place that's falling apart.
Quickly.
Garrett's plan to launch a satellite from here? It seems a little half-baked.
Well, half-baked plans are kind of Baird's specialty.
How Baird even figured out they had a hand satellite here?
My father, before he died, he let Baird in on a few COG secrets. And this island, it has plenty of them.
Get back! We're coming down! Guess who? Dave, send a pulse and let's see what we're dealing with. Ah, there they are.
I'll take care of this one.
Okay, let's put him down.
Get into cover!
Thanks to recharging!
High ground on the left! Flank up!
Toss a frag if you got him! More drones!
This'll work!
All right, that's all of them.
Baird? It's confirmed. Missouri burial site is active.
Shit. Okay, Condor's in the air. Let me know if you need reinforcements.
We get it handled for now. Delta out. Come on, we gotta find one of those silos. Assuming the swarm haven't ripped them all apart.
Hey, I think we can get down this way. Shit. Sorry.
Kate, these headaches.
I'm okay, all right? Let's just find a silo.
For the record, you don't seem okay.
I'll live.
There's too many active hives. Everywhere we go, another burial site's hatched.
All the more reason to get the Hammer of Dawn online.
Let's hope Jin sees it that way.
Took it down.
They're coming out of that nest!
Gotta get a frag in that thing. Frag out! Fire in the hole! Hey, pull! Target down. All right, we got them all.
Wait a sec. Guys, we're in a silo. Baird, we found one of the silos, but it's wrecked.
Well, there's two more. One of them's still operational.
Hope you're right. We ended the war once on this island. When we get this Hammer satellite up, we can do it again.
That's the idea, old pal. Control out.
So, straight's not an option. How much rocket base is even left?
Let's find out. You guys go right, Marcus and I will go left. We'll find those silos.
Sounds good. Stay in contact.
You sure about this?
2 silos, 2 paths. You got a better idea? Go! Hatch! Jump down.
This looks like some kind of an exhaust tunnel. But is it from a silo?
Only one way to find out. Juby! Put it down! Okay, it's all of them. So much for a silo. Under here. Man, we got company.
James, we're above you.
I'll take that. Got it. I got him.
We got a few more up here. You two push ahead.
Copy that. Watch it, swarm. Oh shit, carrier. Bro, we can use those reinforcements right about now.
Condor's almost within range, Delta. Okay, kid, reinforcements incoming. I've got Guardians or DR1s. What do you want?
Got another one.
Drop us some DR1.
You got it.
Got it. There they are, finally!
Area of operations is now secure. Thank you for your assistance in this matter.
Hey, Control, that carrier's down. Thanks for the help. DBs, one of you secure the area. The other's with us. Let's go.
Acknowledged.
Whoa, Delta. What the hell did Dave do? Got a lot of strange data here. Top secret stuff.
As far as I know, he's opening a door.
He's doing a lot more than that.
Well, either way, the door's open. Thanks, Dave.
So, that data Dave just downloaded? There's a big hole at the highest security clearance.
How does this relate to our mission?
It doesn't, but now I need to know. I'm guessing whatever's missing was pulled from the network.
Well, who'd have the authority to do that?
Back then, only the facility commander. Find his office and poke around.
Okay. We'll go.
Scanning immediate area. Detecting.
Shit! Scion! DB, take it out!
Destruction imminent.
Damn it! Diddy! We just lost our backup!
Shit!
Throwing frag!
Hey, Pulse! Ah, there. Done. Now let's find that office.
What does a facility commander's office even look like?
I don't know. Think a big door, nameplate, maybe command. No, commander's office is through here.
Nice one, Dave.
All right, commander's office. Let's look around. Safe. Good place for secret data. Gotcha. Hey, Control. Good news. We found the data drive.
Appreciate it, Delta.
Hey, know what we'd appreciate? Some backup.
What? Where are you?
The silo, we found it. And they're all over us.
Oh, shit. We're on our way. Hey, Pulse.
Oh shit, they weren't kidding.
Man, leave you guys alone for 5 minutes!
Yeah, it's goddamn hilarious. Just help us clear them out. Keep them coming! All right. Control room's clear.
Nice of you guys to show up.
Oh, no problem. Is that rocket attack?
It is, believe it or not.
Good. Then find a port for Dave to plug into. If it checks out, he'll initiate the launch.
It's all yours. Control, you're in. Start the launch sequence.
Pressurized. First stage. Opening silo doors. Error. Error.
Delta, we have an issue. The silo hatch. It's not opening.
Of course. I knew that seemed too easy.
Baird, options.
Find out. Blast doors aren't going to protect you from an exploding rocket.
All right, then we call it. Let's go.
Hydraulic external power to on.
No! We get that hatch open.
What?
Kid, listen to your old man. You got to get out of there.
Damn it, we came here to do this, so let's get it done.
Ignition test commence.
Dave, with me!
Ignition. Engine 1.
God damn it, James.
I have got to learn to stop following you.
Yeah, good luck with that. Let's get that hatch open.
So what's our plan? I don't know. Gotta be a manual override near the top. Find our way up. Drop one! We gotta get across this gap! Coming in here with right here, man! Got enough! Got it! It's raining goddamn poop! Check it! Not gonna hold! In a few seconds, it won't matter! Shit!
15 seconds to launch.
We gotta go!
10 seconds to launch.
There's no time! Come on!
Punch it!
No! Dave's still out there!
Who gives a shit? He's a robot.
That's not his fault!
1.
Gotcha!
Liftoff.
Unbelievable.
Sam, we're ready for extraction.